Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today I'm doing a pearl pour on a 18 by 24 inch canvas. So this is the second time I've done one this size. Not a pearl pour but a canvas this size. So the colours that I'm using today, this is going to be my main colour, which is the Amsterdam olive green, and then I've got this brown here that is made up of the raw umber and a little bit of carmine. That's also Amsterdam. This colour here is just for some little highlights, and that is the brilliant green. And then I've got some Deco Art pearl that's left over from some pours recently, and then I've got these two Montmartre metallics that are also leftovers from my recent pours. So let's get started. Okay, so I've only done a pearl pour once before. I've got this consistency. This is Montmartre titanium white mixed with what is it mixed with? I've got some pouring medium, some Liquitex basic pouring medium, and some satin enamels. Now I am hoping I have enough here. Because, just saved a tiny bit. Okay, yeah, because that's joining up there. I didn't really want that to join up. There we go. This is runnier than I used last time. So I'm going to take a bit off going this way. Let's put some of this bright green. It's actually not very much of this. That's sunk a lot there. And some of this copper. And get some more green happening. I've got some lighter rose gold here. Gee, I hope this stretches out all right. Some brown. Oh no! And some of this pearl. Just try and get it off. Oh, I'm not sure how this is going to go. It's got me a little bit worried. All right, let's give this a stretch, I guess. Do I want to put anything through there? Maybe a bit brown. Okay, I've run out of colours. I think I've got any more of this. Alright. Let's give this a stretch. Come on. Let's just take that up there. Bring it back down. Okay. This is going to pearl a lot more than my last one. Because I had it runnier. Getting gobbled up slowly. Okay, here is the wet result. Now this may still develop a little bit further, but I'm going to show you now. So I've got some tiny lacing through here, which is very interesting. These pearls are the biggest ones that I've had so far. So it is from the thinner mix, I would say. And there's something going on here. I don't know what is going to happen as that dries, but that's interesting. It's like those pearls are full of dots. Now I'm not sure if that is from the light, the brilliant green, if that's what's causing that. Yeah, so these pearls are beautiful up here. And I love the way that they've actually separated and given a nice thick line through there. That looks really cool. The pearl color that I put on the top was probably a little bit much, and it's covered up a bit too much of the actual colour, but I'm hoping that when that dries that the pop of colour will come through a bit more, and that'll just give it a shine. But we'll have to wait and see. Yeah, got the sun coming in. These pearls, these ones here are beautiful. These ones, I have no idea what's going on. I did try and add some dark green through there, but it hasn't quite worked. I might come through with a brush and just add a little bit of colour when it's dry. But overall, nice composition. I don't know what's going on here. This is like the brown, I think. Yeah, I'm really curious about how this is going to dry, because I'm expecting some of these to dry a bit darker, so I think it's going to look better when it's dry, except I don't know what's happening here. They're like tiny dots. Yeah, interesting. All right, I will bring you back when it's dry. Okay, here is the dry result. Bring you in closer. Actually, before I do that, let's have a look at the shine. The shine through there. It's, yeah, interesting. Actually, I don't know if you can see. There is a little bit of a shine in there as well through the pearls, which is interesting. And down here as well, there's a little bit of a shimmer. Yeah, you can see a little bit there. So it's dried nicely. As you can see, I came in and I added a little bit more depth to it, because I just felt that the pearl was taking over a bit much. So I added in some green through here, up through there, a little bit through there I think, and here, and over here, and a little bit through there, just to give it a bit more depth, I guess, or contrast. But yeah, this is still my favourite part though. And I mean, even this green detail, and then the tiny little lacing through there, it's just got so many interesting parts. And I like how the pearls are nice and soft. But then I've got these pearls here. Now, if anybody can tell me why these have done that, please let me know, because I don't understand all the reactions that everything makes yet. This is my second pearl pour. This is all pretty down here too. Very interesting. And a tiny little lacing here as well. got a bit of copper happening through there. I brightened the copper up a little bit in some spots just to make it shine a bit more. So I'm quite happy with that piece. I will be careful how I add the pearl on top next time so that it doesn't dominate as much as this does, but it's worked out quite nice, so I'm not unhappy with it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'd love to hear what you're all up to, what you've been trying. So yeah, that's it for this one, and I will see you all in the next one.